Muthenya wa umuthi, one of the Kikuyu online media nä ĩkorire haceke na Baby Top thutha wao gũkorwo mapostite kũrĩa nenda-inĩ ciao cia ũkinyanĩria atĩ Baby Top is on her way out of Kameme, na to Baby Top nĩ akorirwo harĩa makĩongerera rĩtwa rĩa Bazu, Muthee Kiengei kana Bishop Ben kũrĩa Kameme etagwo Muthee Kiengei. And this story didn't sit well with Baby Top tondu ona gatagati ga show ni makororwo makiongerera post ĩngĩ na mauga atĩ ĩyo nĩyo show ya mwisho ya Baby Top, na Baby Top akorwo akĩrarakwo nĩ ũhoro ũyũ live on air, na akorwo akĩkũmithia TV ĩyo kana online media na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno, harĩa augire atĩ brand yake amĩkũrithĩtie gwa kahinda karaihu mũno, so bringing such false information that is misleading to her fans may attract a hefty fine.
From where I'm seated, this is not the team ya gukorwo gikiria githurano thini wa Kenya.
Thank you. Kuri Birwe Moya Spencer na Njoke Njere Team Master harĩ Facebook page reto riri Kikuyu Nation TV. Matige kwandika matuho manjigi. Waruga ati umuthi ndoka gwika show ya mwisho. Stop misleading my listeners because kindly. I will sue you.
Yes.
Kikuyu Nation TV.
Yes.
You're not even a Nation TV. You are just a Kikuyu. Edwama heni meta kwa tea?
A Kikuyu Scam.
Scam
yes.
TV.
Yes.
Kikuyu Scam TV. My lawyer is here and
onatiga kometani na Kikuyu. Meta kaundo kage.
Dressire ne ndo mari hito hii ne ayekere.
Kindly pull down
my
that
lawyers
post.
Are here and they will deal with you.
Cacophonious.
I am very serious. You don't know mislead my listeners.
Yes.
I've taken too many years.
Yes.
To build. To
yes.
build
yes.
these listeners.
Yes.
Ni maramenya magirwo makurihe mangikuriha mbeca cigana we.
Ndirenda wabe ndiru nao ndakwera screenshot.
Ni maramenya we uri ukwanja.
Ni makoretwo magikira oto
maundu. Ni maramenya uri we kwanja riu we.
Uru wakiri wako please dehe birwe mone na odirere na andu aya.
Nigukuonia ngi wakiri.
Jetagwo Susan Wamwangi, Principal Petans Technical College, Petans, my choice. Gĩarĩria a Kenya. Inemo thikũ ici kothi iria njega
tondu ni uhoro wa maheni na akorwo akidiscredit online media na njira ĩmwe nene mũno, na after that online media ni mathire kũrĩa nenda-inĩ ciao cia ũkinyanĩria na makorwo apologize na gũcũnga mũhera nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro ũcio, na makorwo makiuga on behalf of Kikuyu Nation TV we sincerely apologize for a recent post by one of our admins regarding an confirmed news about Muthoni aka Baby Top. The information shared was not verified and does not reflect our editorial standards. We regret any confusion or distress caused and we are taking steps to ensure it doesn't happen again. Thank you for your continued support and understanding. At this age, riria kwina online media nyingi muno. Right now, I think every young person mundu wana eririria gukorwo media-ini thaa ici ndarabatara gukorwo agithii cukuru eterere athii attachment radio-ini kana TV-ini aheo wira. Majority of them marajia akaundu kao guku online, amwe marajia online media, amwe makajia gwika interviews, amwe current affairs, maundu ta macio guku nenda-ini cia ũkinyanĩria. Some of them matioi media ethics na other things, na guku sometimes nitukoretwo tukiona andu guku nenda-ini cia ũkinyanĩria pass information yetari right. Now, I think uhoro uyu it happened at a time when this discussion needs to be done. We need to have this discussion of how to regulate online media, how to do away with false information, how to curb false information from spreading. Eyo ni debate iria atufati gukorwo twinayo thaa ici, tondu thaa ici we are at a time when uraingira nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria weterere ku get real information about something that is happening. Before you get it, uragerera maheni maingĩ muno. Like right now, I'm assuming this video is not targeted on a certain online media. It is a general. We turahuthira case hiyo ita case study. We're just using it as a case study. I'm assuming post hiyo egwekiretwo hiyo yuma very offensive kana a very unprofessional to that media station and those presenters Baby Top na Muthee Kiengei. Suppose someone saw that post na ndarĩ aracoka nenda-inĩ muthenya wa umuthi kana rũciũ kana muthenya ũcio ũngĩ, that person knows that Bazu na Baby Top, they're on their way out of Kameme. So that is how irreparable spreading fake news can be. Mũndũ ũcio toko akaingĩra online Friday, toko akaingĩra Friday akie Kameme arigo aya matirĩ marauma, na ithe gũtiatuĩkĩte atĩ nĩ marauma. You get? So there really needs to be a balance and a regulation of ũrĩa gũgũkorwo na only legitimate news is being passed. Ndiũĩ ũhoro ũcio ũgũthiĩ na mbere atĩa, but it is very important tondũ na not only in Kenya, not only in the Kikuyu industry, not only everywhere. Kwanza thaa ici kuna nginya AI. It is crazy. It is crazy. Something that needs to be checked. Ndiũĩ maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this.